Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a group email on Gmail. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Gmail website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button and use your credentials and you will be taken into your inbox. Now, if you wish to create a group email, you will first need to add various contacts that you want to add to this group within a singular label. So in order to do this, tap on the apps menu at the top right corner and then tap on contacts. You will then be taken into the contacts page for your Google account. Now from this page, you will be able to find all of your contacts that you have saved within your account. In order to add various contacts into a group email, just click on the checkbox to select the contacts that you want to add. Once you tap on the contacts that you want to add and choose them, go ahead and click on Manage Labels. From the Manage Label option, you can go ahead and click on Create a New Label, and then you will be able to rename this label. Just enter whatever name you want to give to this group for your group email, and then tap on the Save button. And now you will see that the group name or the label name has appeared alongside these contacts. Now, once they have been added to this label, when you start creating and composing your new email, you can simply type in the name of the group and the members will automatically be added as soon as you type in the name of the label that you just put these contacts into. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send a group email on your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.